I love the cheesy but still helpful acronym for intimacy, which is Into Me You See. And it's this experience of really realizing that intimacy is created through mutual shared vulnerability. Now, I think it's important to titrate vulnerability. What do I mean by that? We don't want to be like, fully exposed, here's who I am, here's all of my stuff, I'm going to just vomit all of it on you in a way that's not attuned to the situation or to the other person's availability and capacity, because then that can be really off-putting. We also don't want to do that because we don't really fully know, is the other person capable of responding with non-judgment, with empathy, worthy of our trust, and are they going to reciprocate our own vulnerability? So just like we want to escalate into sexual encounters, we also want to escalate into increasingly vulnerable encounters. So if you think about vulnerability as a scale from 1 to 10, start off with saying something like a 1, see how that's received, and then slowly escalating, making sure that you're attuning to what they seem available for and what they're reciprocating.